The Republican Party has just become a lot more homogenous in a lot of different ways than the Democrat Party. So the Republican Party is ideologically really homogenous. They've managed to consolidate conservatives across the country. Mm-hmm. It's become more racially homogenous than the Democrat Party, ethnically homogenous and religiously homogenous. So they have like a pretty tight group of folks at their base. At the same time, the opposite has happened to Democrats, where they've become more of a loose coalition, racially, religiously pretty diverse, and diverse on a lot of other different measures as well. So from a media perspective, you can speak more directly to the kind of coalition the Republicans have. So there's a lot more agreement there ideologically. There's a lot more shared history. There's a lot more shared values. It's a lot harder on the Democrat side. There's a lot more heterogeneity, like I said, different beliefs, people coming from different histories, different backgrounds. And so the project for them is a lot harder than I think the project on the right.